Apart from the more regular high-quality gadgets like smartphones and tablets, we have also been bringing to you interesting accessories that make your life easier in ways you didn't think possible. What's more, these accessories offer you top-quality design and performance at very affordable prices, which means you can try them out for personal use or gift them to your friends and family. Our product today is another very useful accessory which helps you stay connected while you are on a bicycle or motorbike, moving around with a shopping cart, or on a walk with your child in a pram. This bike phone mount comes from the international company Taotronics, known for their innovative consumer electronics gadgets and accessories.
Here we go.
The most important feature of a bike phone mount is the security it offers to your precious phone. Once the Taotronics mount is attached to the handlebar of the cycle or pram, its clamps securely lock your phone in place, and the corner rubber straps provide extra protection, even on bumpy terrain. The foam carpet gives the phone soft cushioning, preventing any nicks on its surface. With so much protection, you can completely trust the mount to never let your phone fall or even move around, no matter what surface you are on. And in case you need to quickly remove the phone, it can be unlocked with just a single click with one hand. Easy peasy. The mount itself is equally easy to install and remove. The clamp fixes itself to the handlebar without the need for additional tools. It can work with bars ranging from 0.71 inches in diameter to 1.57 inches, which covers a whole lot of options if you think about it. Plus, the 360-degree rotatable holder on the mount lets you orient your phone at the angle that suits you. Another great feature is the wide compatibility with multiple gadgets. It supports gadgets from width from 3.5 inches to 5.5 inches, which means you can use not only your phone, but even most GPS devices and several other gadgets with this mount. Time to see how this easy-to-use clamp-and-click bike mount has fared with its users. It gets a very impressive average score of 4.2 on 5 stars from close to 3,000 customer reviews. Game changer is a description used by multiple reviewers, with many realizing for the first time how convenient this simple-looking, inexpensive gadget makes their lives, whether they are adventure bikers or using it while taking a walk in the park. Some imaginative customers have even used it just as an extra light holder when riding their bike in the dark. That's all we have on the very interesting Taotronics bike phone mount bicycle holder for you. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at some of our other accessory reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.